Hey! Welcome to How's It channel. In today's video, you will learn how to copy text from image. Let's go! We already have a picture with the text we are going to use as an example in this tutorial. Open your web browser and paste a link you can find in the description box down below. Open the web page. Look for Choose File button and click on it. Select the picture you need and click Open. Click on Upload. Scroll down and resize the picture so only the text is visible. Click on the blue OCR button. Scroll down and you will see your text. If you click on Download button, you can choose how to save the file. It can be plain text document or Microsoft Word document or a PDF file. Select the one you prefer and save the file. Enjoy! Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.